Welcome friends to your cooking channel. Today we will prepare together a recipe for sandwich bread or tacos, an easy, fast and not delicious recipe. Follow us the explanation to learn how. Leave a comment and like and let's start the recipe. We begin by preparing the dough. We need 2 cups of milk. The volume of the cup is 240 milliliters. Clean 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. And we also add 1.5 tablespoons of baking yeast. Mix the ingredients well until combined. Cover and leave for 10 minutes until the yeast reacts. After 10 minutes, we find that the mixture has become like this. Mix it well, then add a teaspoon of salt, and also add 4 tablespoons of oil. Mix the ingredients thoroughly until the salt dissolves. Then we start adding flour gradually until we have a cohesive and easy-to-use dough. We leave it until it doubles in size. In a pan, put a little oil with an onion sliced. Let fry in oil over medium heat until golden. Add the minced meat and stir well. I want to remind you that the like and the comment are very important for the channel. I hope you leave me a comment. Where do you watch me from? I added a little salt and we also add a little black pepper. We also add half a spoonful of red pepper. Mix the ingredients, add a cup of water and then let the meat cook until cooked. Now we go to the dough. Look how wonderful it becomes. It brewed well. I made the dough 77 grams and then form small balls, put them in a napkin and cover them well. Put the pans over medium heat and then open the dough balls to a thin thickness. After the pan heats up, put the bread on top and continue stirring until bubbles form, then turn it over to cook on the other side. Do not let it cook well so that it does not become solid and easy to use. Put the bread in a napkin and then put it in plastic so that it stays soft and easy to use. Put a little tomato sauce, then add some meat. Add the French fries and a little sliced green olives. We also add soft cheese and grated cheese. We close the sandwich, and I also greased the pan with a little butter until we get a well-cooked bread with a beautiful color. Continue stirring the bread until it cooks well on all sides, and also add a little oil in the pan. We have finished preparing this wonderful bread. It is really delicious. And you? What do you think of this recipe? Please leave me your comments and tell me from which country you follow me. If you like the video, put a like and a comment and goodbye.